Microsoft Forms is a product that empowers people to collect data easily and make smart decisions. The engineering team in Vancouver work on client side all the way to backend, and we build most of the features. We also integrate with customers. When people love a specific tool, they will find a way to use it differently, right? So you can imagine, in schools, it could be used as exams, or even to gauge how much students understand what the teacher is displaying so far. And individuals as well. If you have a wedding or something and you want to collect data about people who's going to attend your wedding, people use it so many different ways. The collaboration, you see a lot of people jumping on one computer, all of them looking at the same screen and trying to help each other.
The best thing about this team is the people inside of it. They always prioritize helping you.
You get to collaborate with the product managers and the designers also. When the designers are creating those buttons and how the experience will look like, you can also contribute towards that. So you are actually aware about the product experience, not just working on the code, you are also controlling the experience. So kind of impact that you can feel like you are directly impacting the customer experience, that's very good feeling to have.
We watched the usage increasing from thousands of users in Microsoft to now we have millions of users. Forms is like a child of the team. Watching the child is growing.
Bring the large language model ability to Forms is a huge step. It will be much easier for customer to create a form now because you can leverage the large language model.
Now with the help from Copilot, they can just ask a Copilot to draft a first version, and then they can refine from that version.
For Excel integration, this feature will have live data sync between Forms and Excel. So for example, you receive responses, and the responses will go to your Excel workbook.
Forms and Excel really go hand in hand because Forms is actually a data collection tool and Excel is data analyzing.
The ability for an owner to just open up the sheet, see the responses coming in as they're submitted, something that's got a lot of potential.
Another really cool integration is we have polls that is essentially powered by Forms. You want to go out for lunch, create a poll and people respond and majority wins. We use Forms all the time.
I've looked at the customer feedback myself multiple times, and we are listening. There's a healthy blend of innovation and customer focus. At the core of it all is to create something useful.
I really appreciate everyone in the Forms Vancouver team, and I really love the time when everyone supporting each other and helping each other.
Last year, we made a decision to come to Vancouver. Now, I think I can say it's good. People is so friendly, and the city is open, so I feel it's good. Vancouver is good.